Hello everyone, it's me Bella and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this really simple ladder cuff bracelet. So it's basically just a normal bracelet except it's more complex, but do not be fooled by it, it's actually really easy to make. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one, just the basics. I'll give you a little tutorial. And I just want to show you that it gets the name because when you stretch it out, it really looks like a ladder. Like a beetle could just climb on it. Like, it's like a ladder and stuff. So yeah. So you're gonna be needing beads. You can use seed beads, any beads, candy beads. Lots of people actually use candy beads, but I like using seed beads because, well, they just make it look really nice. And you'll be needing string. I already cut a piece, let me just put that aside. You'll just be needing string. I like using 5mm string for these seed beads. And you're also gonna need scissors to basically cut off the string. So if you're gonna be using candy beads, you have to get thicker string, definitely, because you really need, like, if it's not like, oh, that's gonna be horror. So I'm just gonna use like this thick string, and it's gonna be easy to put it through. When it's thin, it's like harder to put through the hole of the seed bead, so we don't want that. So I'm just gonna choose my colors, put that aside. Oh yeah, I'm not going to be using this kit because all the colors sort of like blur together for me. These are like more, I don't know, they just look more like different, especially this blue and pink. So I'm going to be using those for the tutorial, so you guys can see what is being done. Yeah, this is blue and pink, and I think it's gonna still be like a really cute bracelet, so that's gonna be great. I'm not gonna be using a white because look how the white blends over the table. You can't even see on that, can you? So you're gonna get your string. You're gonna cut off like a really long piece, like a very long piece, but something reasonable, you know. So as you see, I've come prepared. So see, it makes a big pile. And it's quite long. If I stretch it, if I untangle it, it's basically gonna be off camera. So that's how big it basically is. So you're gonna have two sides. So make sure not to keep. Oh my gosh, this side ain't coming up. So make sure to not keep it on this thing attached, like some people like to do. Like they just keep putting their beads on, like that. So just keep two sides like this, and yeah. So just a big long piece of string. So first of all, you're just gonna put on 3 seed beads. It honestly doesn't matter how many seed beads you actually put on the string. You can put on 2, you can put on 1. It'll just be a long bracelet, but with the ladder pattern around it. Or you could put on 5, you could put on 10, you could put on 5,000, 1,000,000. That's gonna take too much time, like loads of string. But yeah, and you're gonna put on another 3, like so. But make sure to keep them away from each other, like so. So I'm just gonna keep a distance from them, like that. And then I'm gonna get. So as you see, I have this side of my string, but I'm going to get this side of the string also, as you can see, and I'm just going to put it through the pink beads, the 3 pink beads. As you see, it's come out from the area, and you're just going to pull both of the ends, this end and the other end, the left end and the right end. Just gonna pull it until it touches the blue one, and that will be the start of your bracelet. So as you see, it's already coming together. Even if I've already put my first few beads. Oh, let's put the scissors away if you can't see them. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. So you're just gonna repeat the process, except you're not gonna like put on like 2-3 pairs at a time. You're just gonna like put on like another 3 blue. I mean, it doesn't matter what color, like whatever colors you like. So you're gonna do that, and then you're just gonna and you're just gonna like put it through the blue beads. So you're just gonna keep adding 3 beads and putting the other end through the holes. Just pulling the ends. Pull the ends. And as you see, it's got into like some sort of pyramid. So you're just gonna like push it down a little bit, like stretch it out. But honestly, it doesn't matter. You could just keep it like that, and then at the end, you'll see what I can do to fix it. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed this part up a little bit because this is gonna take me quite a long time. So as you can see, my bracelet has already started to form, and you can see the ladder pattern, and it's starting to actually look like a bracelet like this. So that is great. So I'm still going to do a little bit more, then I think my bracelet will be done. So I think I only need to do a little bit more on my, and I think I'll have my desired length. So I'm just going to do that real quick. It'd be like 2 of each color. So just a little reminder of how to do it. So you're just going to put on 3, then get the other end and put it through. So as you see, my ends have gotten way closer now because I've used loads. Oh, I just tried to catch that end. So let's just pull that. So let's just put on almost a final pinks. Okay, I need one more pink. Yay! Yippee! Okay, I'm actually gonna stop. So I'm just gonna put that through like so. Just gonna pull it. Just gonna pull it like so. Okay, I'm finished. So I think I have it. See, ta-da! So I'd recommend doing it like 7 inches because that's like the desired wrist size. So now, be careful about this part. You could do any ends you want, but go back to the bottom of your entire thing. Go back to like the bottom beads. Put your end through the 3 beads. Okay, as you see, I have my end through the beads, and now I'm just going to pull it. Wait, what happened? Oh, good. Nothing happened, don't worry. So, ta-da! Now you're just going to tie it like it's a normal bracelet. So, tie. So basically, when you tie, you can like do that. So you have to like put it through like that, and you have something like that. Then you do it twice. One like that, and 2 under the loop. Like that, and then it'll be one the other way, but the right side being underneath the left side. 1 under the loop, and another one under the loop. So I've tied my bracelet, and well, it's finished. Oh, it's not finished yet. I need to. This is where my scissors come again. So basically, I only use my scissors twice, but still, they're important. I mean, yeah. Ta-da! I finally finished my bracelet. I can put this bracelet kit away, and ta-da! Another addition to my ladder cuff bracelet. So it takes a little bit of a long time, but it's still worth it. I loved how this turned out. And there's actually loads of other ones you can do too. So I have this one, for example. I have this small one. This was actually my first one I ever made, so that's why it's so tiny. I have this one. It just makes really nice noises. There's these really interesting beads for it. This fiery one, and this green one. So, and let's just take this bracelet off for a little bit, and I'm just going to show you how they will look on my hand. By the way, I have loads of them, so don't judge me, okay? I just picked out a few. Aye, okay. I got them all on, yay! So they're all look great. Let me just put this one on top, and yay, I'm done. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and comment down below if your bracelet turned out great, and drop down a like if you enjoyed the video and if this actually helped, and subscribe for more helpful content and other random stuff. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to support me even further, even if your likes, views and subscribes aren't enough, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com, and I really appreciate all of you. So yes, that's it for today's video. Bye!